Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on Sublime Text Editor 4. In this video, I'll guide you the process of downloading, installing, working, and getting started with this powerful text editor. Sublime Text Editor 4 is a fantastic choice for developers and programmers. It's fast, lightweight, so let's dive right in. Type Sublime Text in Window 10 on Google. Click on the one link, the official website at sublimetext.com. First things first, let's ensure your system meets the requirements. Sublime Text 4 supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space for the installation. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Once downloaded, let's move on to the installation. Simply run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Now that we have Sublime Text 4 installed, let's open it for the first time. Create a new file press. Ctrl+N open a new file and Ctrl+S save file with suitable name. Let's start working. Type simple HTML code. Save and open on your web browser. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos,